Hi, Ed Kirshen with Equities.com. We are at the Rodman Renshaw Conference at the New York Palace Hotel. And sitting to my right from Lixte Biotechnology Holdings, Inc. is Dr. John Kovach, founder, chairman, and CEO of Lixte. Welcome. Thanks for being here with us today. We appreciate it. And John, do me a favor, provide us with a brief overview of your company and its operations, and let our investment community know who you are.
Thank you. Lixte is in the business of developing new anti-cancer drugs based on some unique observations made a number of years ago just by reviewing the literature. Working with superb medicinal chemists, we designed from scratch some small molecules, have developed them through initial proof of concept, animal toxicity, and recently received FDA approval to begin a phase 1 trial of our lead compound. That lead compound is unique, and it works by enhancing the activity of any cytotoxic drug or radiation, which is a bold statement, but if it translates from the animal models into the human condition, it means that there are applications for many important cancers where we expect to improve treatment.
Okay, I also forgot to mention that you trade over the counter, the company trades over the counter, and the ticker listing is LIXT. And what are your growth prospects in your target markets? And how do you plan to go about to get in there and capitalize on them?
Well, you say we're an early stage company, obviously, even though we're in the clinic. And what will determine our rate of growth, of course, will be the results of the trials. We have funded this company from milestone to milestone, largely, even as a public company, through private investment in public equity, through PIPEs. And with each milestone, in which the next one will be demonstration that our compound is safe to give to human beings and that it does potentiate the effect of anti-cancer drugs in human beings, which we expect to read out on that certainly by next fall. That information itself we expect will be enough to attract investment capital, but potentially a strategic partner or two to continue development.
Can you discuss a little bit about the company's competitive edge or strategic advantages that you might have over other areas in this particular field?
The main edge is the fact that we're the only, we have the only such compound in clinical trial, and it appears right now I'm not aware of anyone else on this path. So that's a large competitive edge. We have improvement, and we've also filed a very extensive patent portfolio. We have issued patents from the United States and several other countries, and have filed extensively throughout Europe and Asia. That's actually our major expense, is maintaining our patent portfolio, because we believe it's essential to our stockholders, investors, to demonstrate that it's a secure position.
Let me ask you a question. Are there any a few recent or upcoming milestones or highlights that the company that you're excited about and you'd like to share with the investment community?
Well, the major effects we report as they come in public. There'll be as I should have mentioned again, that our work has been done largely with National Institutes of Health through what's called a CRADA, Cooperative Research and Development Agreement, and with academic centers in the United States, because we are a virtual company and are dependent upon academic centers interested in our science, who want our compounds under licensing or under an MTA to develop them. And so there are about 20 major publications concerning our work out there, which are readily available by just looking into the literature. So we believe we have quite a lead in this area and have a number of attractive clinical targets once we get through the phase 1 trial.
Is there a website that we can go to visit?
Yes, the summary of the pipeline is at www.lixte.com.
Terrific. Okay, it's Lixte Biotechnology Holdings Incorporated. Dr. John Kovach is the founder, the chairman, and CEO of the company. I thank you, sir, for being here and sharing with us today. And
thank you, sir.
You're very welcome. Any other closing comments that you'd like to add?
No, I think encourage people to follow our company as we go forward. I think they can look forward to interesting reports in the literature from academic centers, as well as our reports about the results of our clinical trials.
Dr. Kovach, thank you.
Thank you very much.
I'm Ed Kirschen with Equities.com, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for being with us.